What's really going on? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, currently Litecoin price action interacting with resistance overhead. We have a very bullish interaction with technical key level of support. We have $144 as a key level of potential support and buy pressure we suggested in the previous Litecoin video here. Currently interacting with resistance overhead, significant technical sell pressure at $165 per Litecoin is giving us a hard time currently and may cause further interaction towards support before we can re-establish the uptrend. We're currently under the influence of sell signals in addition to prices below the 200 daily moving average, suggesting some technical factors of sell pressure present. However, as you can see, the buy pressure is very much in play and the demand for Litecoin is very much present as well, with a very bullish 25% recovery from the swing low of the December 4th daily candle back to where it closed. And so, in my opinion, we have a very bullish buy pressure and strength between this key range of $165 all the way down to $144. However, the strongest area of technical support is still going to be all the way down at $114 in my opinion. That is the stronger area of technical buy pressure that we may interact with here before making our way upward. And so right now, we're looking at sell signals. We're waiting for buy signals to return and further confirmations of support. I'm looking for continued interaction with $144. As I mentioned, $114 is still the key level of support I can remain long-term bullish on as long as it remains as support. We have buy signals in play. These Robo advisors did suggest downside. We have a sell for and bear Robo advisor printing throughout November here around $195. And since then, we have experienced up to 33.5% downside. So we are awaiting the most bullish area of accumulation to present itself here, supported by Robo advisors. This combination of buy signals did allow you to experience a bullish area of accumulation suggested by a buy 1 and buy 4 near $130 per Litecoin. After accumulation, we experienced up to 78% in upside over the following 41 days. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, our Robo advisors became bearish around $178 per Litecoin, allowing you to capitalize on 36% ROI if you utilize those sell suggestions. And through this sideways, we do see a move downward here after those sell signals. Prices experienced up to 21% in downside over the following couple weeks before becoming bullish again. And this most recent interaction with buy signals suggested a bullish area of accumulation around $178. Prices rose all the way up to $295, a 65% increase over the following 35 days. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high or at the mentioned resistance during this point in time, EngineeringRobo suggested you take profits near that's $195 level, still allowing you to capitalize on just about 10% in gains if you utilize these sell suggestions and you were saved from this very abrupt downside that we are experiencing. In my opinion, this is a very bullish time to be buying with anticipation of capitalization on gains in the longer term. As an investor in Litecoin, I do believe this would be a bullish opportunity to be accumulating. Technically, as a trader, we are still short-term bearish here, looking for continued technical interactions with support down below. Let me know your thoughts on Litecoin currently. What are you doing with price action at current levels? Now we're taking a look at coin symbol AVA against Tether price action, interacting with what appears to be what could be the final area of bullish buy pressure and support for this coin before we can anticipate some significantly lower levels here. We're looking for continued buy pressure and support off of key level $1.88. In my opinion, price action is interacting with a very bullish area of support suggested by price action throughout the end of July. So we're looking at a higher low forming here. Would appear to be the swing low on the 6th of December is a higher low relative to that price action throughout the end of July here. So continued interaction with this key level $1.88 as support could be a very bullish area of accumulation with anticipated upside here, and support found and confirmed could send us all the way back up to resistance overhead. Technically $3.05 is going to be a key area of sell pressure waiting for us, in addition to this 200 daily moving average overhead as well, suggesting some very technical sell pressure present. So we're looking for continued support off of this key level down below. If we were to fail to hold this range, we have this potential area of support $1.17 waiting for us as a potential bounce kind of target that we could interact with. However, the strongest area of support isn't waiting for us until all the way down at 77 cents. And so in my opinion, we're looking for continued confirmations of support near current levels. Failure to hold this range could send us all the way into the 70-cent range. We're under the influence of sell signals at the moment moment as well. So we are awaiting buy signals to return to become more comfortably bullish on continued upside. This combination of robo advisors suggested a bullish area of accumulation near $2.26. After that bullish area of accumulation was suggested, prices experienced up to 136% in upside, easily well over doubling your money with EngineeringRobo. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, two of our chosen three robo advisors became bearish around $3.42, suggesting you capitalize on a 51% ROI if you utilized these sell suggestions. And as you can see, since these sell signals here, price action has experienced what is currently up to 51% in downside over the following several months here as we await the most bullish area of accumulation to present itself. I do believe support is present, and so continued confirmations of support could very much suggest this bullish area of accumulation forming here for us. EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher areas of accumulation and take profit, and so it is key to pick three of the many different robo advisors available, and once two of your chosen three become bullish or bearish, you can use that to better determine your entries or exits. And so we are waiting buy signals and further confirmations of support. I think, in my opinion, we are just interacting with a very key technical area of buy pressure that could come into play here. However, we do have support waiting for us all the way down at the aforementioned 77-cent level. Let me know your thoughts on this coin currently. We're taking a look at coin symbol BEAM, Beam, against USDT. What do we have here? Strong interaction with technical support, in my opinion. 75 cents is looking like a very bullish area of buy pressure here. If we have daily candles opening and closing with their wicks and bodies above it, we can confirm it as support and a bullish area of accumulation supported by buy signals in addition to this 200 daily moving average. And so once support has been confirmed at 75 cents, I do believe my short-term target here for this coin is going to be $1.47. That is a 96% increase from my support to my resistance level. I do believe price action, once support has been confirmed, will make its way upward here. We have some very strong buy signals in play in addition to an uptrend forming. So once support has been fully confirmed, we could become bullish on this continued upside. However, failure to hold 75 cents could bring price action all the way down to a stronger area of support waiting for us at 54 cents. So we are awaiting the confirmations here. At the moment, buy pressure is present. We just need continued daily candles opening and closing above this 75-cent level. So let me know your thoughts on this coin down below. Ethereum, what do we have here? Price action still sideways, interacting with very significant key levels resistance overhead. Currently $4,466 per Ethereum is giving us a hard time. We can see price action looking for support above $4,285. That could be a key area of accumulation if daily candles can open and close above it. We have this buy one attempting to return with today's daily candle. Things are so bullish at current levels, you would not believe it. We have sell signals and buy signals all through this range of sideways here. Currently, we are supported by a buy 2 that has remained bullish on Ethereum ever since the 25th of November. A sell 4 has been present since the 16th of November. Very recently, we had interaction with the sell 1 on the 4th of December. However, I still remained personally bullish on price action. Technically, EngineeringRobo became bearish, and we were anticipating continued interaction with support. We can see now with today's daily candle, this buy 1 wants to return. We need this daily candle to close to confirm this buy signal though. So if this buy 1 remains with this daily candle close, then we can become more bullish on continued upside, because two of our chosen three robo advisors would then be bullish on gains here. So price action well above this 200 daily moving average, suggesting an uptrend overall. Currently looking at very strong support down below. Still $3,930 per Ethereum is still the strongest area of support in my opinion until daily candles can confirm otherwise. I just believe there is very strong support and buy pressure present for Ethereum and crypto in a whole at the moment. And so in my opinion, until technical parameters suggest otherwise, we are still bullish on continued upside. So always allow the confirmations to occur. Now we're going to swap over to Bitcoin. We're going to look at price action looking for continued support down below. We see prices interacting with the very bullish area of accumulation still. $48,600 per Bitcoin is the key level I suggested interaction with in yesterday's analysis video here. We're looking for continued support off of it. We have very strong technical factors down below suggesting the overall tremendous bullish presence for Bitcoin. Buy pressure all the way down to lows within the $42,000 key range here. Technical area of support, $43,000. $43,000 per Bitcoin. We have the 0.618 Fibonacci Linguini line, $44,000 per Bitcoin. We have the 200 daily moving average currently sitting around $46,000 per Bitcoin. Very strong technical support down below. Currently still short-term bearish. I suspect further confirmation of the support may be necessary for us in the immediate short term. EngineeringRobo has been bearish ever since the 16th of November. Since those sell signals, we have plummeted, a good 29% in downside in just over 2 weeks. And so that's, Bitcoin. If I've ever seen one, let me know your thoughts on price action. Are you bullish or bearish at current levels? Are you buying the dip or panic selling your whole bag? What are your thoughts on this dramatic time in the crypto sphere here? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.